Hey guys, let's see how to set up the Tapo C220 camera. It's super simple. You just need to have your cell phone with the Tapo app. Then you turn on the camera, observe the LED here if it's flashing red and green, and you start the setup, okay? So here I have the camera out of the box. You see that's just flashing red for some reason. So it needs to be flashing red and green. If I just come here to the App Store and get the app, for the installation, if you don't have it yet, you come here to the App Store, then just look for Tapo. So that's the first thing that I have to do. Enter here Tapo and look for the TP-Link Tapo. Let's see it. There we go, that's the one. Then you download, install it, and create your account. There's no fee to create your account, you just need to create one and create a password. Then you just open the software, log in, or open the app, log in, and you're good to go. Just like myself, I have here my Tapo app ready to go. The first time that you come here, you're gonna see a big button with the plus signal to add the new camera, or you can just come here to the top and add a new one from here. You see here, add a device. And then you just look for the camera. In this case, I'm talking about an outdoor camera, which is the Tapo C425. So let me just look for it, Tapo C425, okay? So I just go down, found it, and now you see that asks me to check if the LED is flashing red and green, but it's not, okay? Sometimes the camera just comes like this, I don't know why, but if it's not flashing, you just need to reset it, right? So let me just grab here a paper clip like this one, and then you can reset it. So you grab the camera here and look for the reset button. So here you see that you have some rubber flaps, and this one is written here reset. So you just open it, click here and hold for at least 10 seconds. Every Tapo camera works like this. So just press and hold. If you press and hold for 10 seconds, you're gonna see the LED here flashing pretty fast. And then the camera resets. And sometimes the camera even talks to you, okay? So let's see if this one is gonna talk to me. I'm gonna press and hold and count to 10. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go. You see that's flashing pretty fast. I could hear a chime. The camera didn't say anything, but now it's flashing red and green. So I'm good to go, okay? So basically your camera should come like this out of the box. If it's not, like mine here, then you just do this. You just reset the camera by using a paper clip, right? Then you come back here to your app and you continue from here. There we go. Now you just need to join the network. I say yes. Basically your cell phone is connecting directly to the camera. Unable to join, so hit OK. So it's already red and green. It came back to the last screen. Let me just tap here one more time, join. There we go, now it's trying to connect. At this stage, the camera is going to connect directly to the cell phone. And after this, the cell phone can tell the camera which Wi-Fi to connect to, all right? There we go. Now I just need to inform which Wi-Fi to use. That's my router. And remember that I just need to use the 2.4 gigahertz network. Let me just double check here. The information on the box. I don't see here the information about the 2.4 network. But usually it works with 2.4 gigahertz network, okay? Every single camera. Anyway, let's just continue here. And then I just insert my password and I hit next, and next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go, now the camera is talking to me. And usually you can see the LED here changing to green, steady green, after the camera is connected to the Wi-Fi. And you can just name the camera, select a location and an icon. There we go, it's complete. That was pretty fast. Let me just put the camera back there so you can see some motion. I have cars there, so let's just continue here. You see that I have the 30-day trial for the cloud storage. So basically you can try for 30 days and the camera is going to record into the cloud, and after 30 days you can pay a monthly fee to keep recording into the cloud. But it's not mandatory, you can use only the SD card if you want to. For now I'm going to dismiss this, and then I have to insert an SD card and start recording there, alright? So let me just grab an SD card here, and then I can insert it there. There we go, I have this SD card, this Alexa with 32 gigabytes. As you can see here, the camera supports from 8 to 512 gigabytes and class 10 microSD card, so I got one here. I'll leave the link on the description for this one. Mine has 32 gigabytes, alright? I'll just grab the camera, bring it here, and then we can open here the flap again and insert the microSD card just right here. So let's just face this part here to the lens, that way, and use the fingernails to push it. So I hear click.
The SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
Okay, so there's a message here asking to format the SD card. Let me just put the camera back there. There we go. And I hit here, got it. And here's the information about the firmware update. It's going to update from 3 AM to 5 PM. I just hit got it and continue here. I have the ports closed. Here is testing the Wi-Fi. Let's just put the volume down, otherwise I'm gonna have a audio loop. I just hit next. Here's some information about the mounting location. You just need to read it and just hit next. More information here about glasses and information about how to mount the camera and the angle that I need to install the camera, okay? Those are useful information. I just hit next, and I'm gonna finish this and go directly to the camera and see that I have it right here, Tapo C220. I'll just get into the camera, some extra information here. Let me just close this down.
The SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
Okay, the camera is talking to me again about the microSD card, and I got the message here. So I can initialize the SD card here and format it, or I can just cancel and go directly here. If you don't see this menu popping up, we just come here and go to storage and recording. And from here you can see
the SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
There we go. Talking to me again. Now I'm going to initialize from here, okay? You see it's unformatted and now it's formatting. I just need to wait. Depending on the size of the card, can take a longer time, but usually it's pretty fast. There we go, format successfully. Then I just hit OK. You see that the camera identifies the card as a good card with loop recording, which means the camera is going to record and delete old videos and keep the new ones. So it's enabled here. And then I just come back and I take a look at the recording schedule. See that I have recording detection for every single day of the week and every single hour. And I just come back, I check here the clips, 10 seconds for retrigger time, 6 seconds for the record buffer, and maximum clip length is 20 seconds. That's the default from the camera, right? And I'm good to go here. Local recording is enabled and sound record is also enabled. And something important as well, just come here to the detection, check the zones. The zone is selected here for the entire area. And there's also the motion detection on. So I can just enter here and check the sensitivity that comes from 1, which is less sensitive, up to 10, which is most sensitive, right? So just come back here to 6, that's the default. And I come back, I can do this also with the person detection, just see if it's good enough. There is also path detection and vehicle detection, okay? So the camera is good to go. Now we'll start recording based on motion. Let me just come back here to the main screen. You see there's an update required as well for the firmware. So I will update later. Let me just cancel for now. And from here you can just start using the camera and you can just test, do like the screenshot. You can record here into the phone as well and stop recording, save to the gallery. You can use audio and talk to somebody close to the camera. They can talk to you back. You can turn on and turn off the lights in the camera. You see back there, the light's on. Then I just press here, the light's off now. Tags on and off, so you can see when there's motion. The camera is gonna tag the motion so you see better. And privacy mode, here you can just enable, disable the privacy mode so it's not live now. You don't see any video anymore. Then you just tap here and it comes back. All right. And from here you can play back and download. You see here that's recording something already by motion because the SD card's there, was formatted and is recording by motion and it's tagged. You see here the tagged with the motion when the cars are passing there, right? You see here the information that I'm reading from the SD card, working, read from the cloud if I have the cloud recording working, which I don't yet, and it's working pretty fine, okay? And you can come here and do this as well, so you can see it that way, and you see it works pretty fine, right? Let's just approach here, see it. There we go. Camera working back there with motion detection and everything else. Of course, I'm gonna install this camera later, outdoors. That'll be much, much better, but at least now we have an idea on how to set up this camera and make it work, all right? So that's how you can set up your Tapo C425. It's a good camera, wire-free. You can just charge the camera and make it work. I have mine right now with 55% battery, and I'm going to charge the camera later, install it, and have it working, right? I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.